Today, I will show you how to import and use a custom indicator in MetaTrader 4. We will place the files in the right folder, load them in MT4, and fix the common problems new users face. At the end, I will share what we will build next, and there is a bonus tip. Here is what the indicator looks like when it's loaded correctly. So now, let's head over to open the correct data folder where you can put the indicators. Open MT4 and go to the file. Open data folder. This step is the most important one. Many people place their files in the wrong folder and MT4 cannot find them. Open MQL4 folder. Open indicators. This is where every indicator goes, whether it's a custom one or a default one. Copy your indicator file. Here is my simple MA crossover indicator. Right click on it and copy. It can be MQ4 or EX4. In my case, it's MQ4. And then go back to indicators folder and then paste it inside, like so. Now go back to MT4 and then go to indicators in the navigator, right click and hit refresh. Your indicator should pop up in the navigator. So after you have pasted your indicator, if it's an MQL4 file like so, you have to go to MT4 and right click on it and hit modify, and then you have to click compile and then go back to MT4 and then hit right click and attach to chart. Set your inputs if needed and hit OK. Your indicator will be visible on the chart. If MT4 shows cannot load custom indicator, or when right click on the indicator it is not being loaded, you can check these steps. 1. Make sure the file is inside MQL4 and then indicators. 2. If you have only MQ4 file, like so, open MetaEditor and then hit compile. This creates the ex4 file and MT4 reads the ex4. 3. If the indicator still doesn't show, close the MT4 and start it again. Alright, so it's time for a bonus tip. If your indicator uses DLL calls, go to Tools, hit Options, and then go to Expert Advisors, and then allow DLL imports, like so. Keep in mind, this should only be enabled if the indicator is from a trusted applications and trusted source. Hit OK. Your indicator should now load without an issue. This is the full process that works on every MT4 setup. Next, we will build our own custom indicator from scratch in MT4 and test it with real-time data. I will show each step in simple words. If you want that video, subscribe so you don't miss it.